Huizhou Lechang Industrial Company Limited, founded in 2009, having specialized in cosmetic products including hand sanitizer, bath gift sets, hair soap, facial roller, and other body care products. We have big and strong foreign trade team. We provide one-stop service for customers, offering services from design, research and development, molding, prototyping, assembly, testing and packing, raw material to finished products complete, OEM and ODM service. Our factory covered 40,000 square meters, have more than 200 workers. We have 100,000 level dust-free workshop with 12 production lines. Daily output reach 100,000 pieces. We are gold supplier for many heavy brands for many years. We strictly adheres to the standard quality systems requirement to ensure product safety and do full QC tests to ensure our clients will get premium quality experience. We trust good quality is the best way to return customers. Our sales online within 24 hours. Response rate of inquiries is more than 98%. We have design team, can make design for customers and free of charge. We have long-term cooperated shipping company and forwarder. Can supply FOB, CIF, DDP, DDU service. Our goods exported to United States, Europe, Australia, South Korea, Japan, etc. We have rich experience for these markets. Currently, we have a number of utility models, products, and design patents are being applied for and will get passed soon. Keep innovation and developing better products are also always our pursuits.